إله الله لا إله إلا 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 الله محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Those who are in the main hall, can kindly ask that you move forward. Zahir Gala and Salatul Janaza which we ruku or sajda tani. So please move forward, fill in the gaps.
Take the first subject.
Yeah.
Yeah, move forward. You don't need to sit down.
Those who are in the back hall, stay where you are. You will get quite chaotic. Those who are upstairs can make their way downstairs. There is still some space here in the main hall. Please make sure that your rows are straight. You stay where you are, but just move the body of the seat as close as you can to the wall without touching it. Stay that way. Safa durust karo, please. Make sure there's no gap in the rows. Any spaces in front of you, please kindly fill. Again, those who are upstairs, you can come downstairs. Because there is no rukus or sujood in Salatul Janaza. It is sufficient for us to tighten up as we have. Salatul Janaza, as we know, consists of 4 takbirat. और ये भी मसला अपने ज़हन में रखो that the muqtadi, i.e. you guys, the followers, you have to say Allahu Akbar as well. ये नहीं बात जी इमाम पर रहने दो, पीछे से इमाम से दे बात जी relax करो, नहीं. दूसरा भी Allahu Akbar कहना ये लाजिम है. So when I say Allahu Akbar, you have to also say Allahu Akbar as well. This is the condition upon the muqtadi. After the first takbir, we know that we read the thana, with a slight adjustment from the one that we normally read in our salah. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarak asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa jalla thana'uka wa la ilaha ghayruk. If you can't make this adjustment, then stick to the one that you normally read in the salah. Dusri takbir ke baad we read Durood Ibrahimi. Durood Sharif, any Durood Sharif, but khas to Durood Ibrahimi is with bare fadailan. The same Durood Ibrahimi that we read in the tashahhud position before the salam. After the third takbir, we have to read the dua maghfirat. Yani Allahumma maghfir li hayyina wa mayyitina wa shahidina wa ghaibina ila akhir, up until the end. If you don't know this dua, though, you should make this firm intention today in the house of Allah Almighty to learn this dua. If you were to do a survey now and ask har bande dua paro ji, loge dua hi nahi pata. तो मसले बयान करने से पहले खाली जाने जी, मौलवी ने सिरा पर खाली जाने. So you should learn the dua. By way of targheeb, I'm encouraging you nicely, yes? Learn the dua. If you don't know the dua, then any dua from the Quran or the Sunnah. مثال تو ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Then the fourth takbir, after the fourth takbir will be the 2 salams. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to the right, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to the left. और ये भी अपने ज़हन में मसला ज़हन रखना that when we do salam, when the first salam we are doing it, we drop both hands. ये trend or fashion कोई लोग एक सलाम करने एक hand drop करने दुआ सलाम करने दुआ यार मसाइल तो सने ज़हन मुताबिक नहीं ना. It's not according to your whims and desires, it's according to what the Sharia stipulates. And as Hanafis, followers and muqallideen of Imam Abu Hanifa, we drop both hands and then make the first salam. जी समझने हो? हाँ. आपने नियत करो इंशाअल्लाह और नियत के फौरन बाद सलाम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम या अल्लाह या Allahu Akbar. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. If you please break your robes, एक बारी सूरत al-Fatiha शरीफ की तिलावत, तीन बारी सूरत al-Ikhlas, अव्वल आखिर दुरूद शरीफ, मुख्तसर दुआ, ऐसा मुख्तसर दुआ. Then inshallah you can sit down if you want. If you can, then do sit down. It's better for you. Or inshallah Azza wa Jal, straight after the dua, the body of the deceased will be taken to the Qabristan. Again, if you are able to be with the family at this opportunity and at this point, then please do so. Faradi Bismillah. Just before the dua, the situation that the two brothers, Muhammad Sadat and his brother, find themselves in is something I can resonate with. We also lost our father in 2018, and there is nothing more difficult than losing one or both of your parents. This is why I will kindly request, as we often remind our congregants, that if your parents are alive, be sure to do their khidmat, be sure to earn their pleasure. ورواية أنا رضا ربي في رضا الوالدي وسخط ربي في سخط الوالدي. That the Prophet ﷺ said, the pleasure of your Lord lies in the pleasure of your father. The pleasure of your Lord lies in the pleasure of your father, and the displeasure of your Lord lies in the displeasure of your father. Iska kya murad hai? The meaning of this is that if your father is happy with you, Allah is happy with you. But if your father is not happy with you, then Allah is not happy with you. Lakh namaza paro, the lakh roze roko, the loga ki salogiya sa bare prezgara, bare muttaqiya. The maa pyo ka har istri kinal tarapne jao, kela putar achhi, kela istri kinal meri khidmat karsi. कोई पीरा ने पिछा दोने, कोई मौलिया ने पिछा दोने, कोई फलाने फलाने ने पिछा दोने. जी, the greatest guide for you and me is our mother and father. Yes, so if your parents are alive, do their khidmat and your place in Jannah to deserve. Seek their pleasure before it's too late. और छोटियां छोटियां गल्ला पीछे नाराजगी ना पैदा करया करो. ये भी आजकल नया ट्रेंड है. निकी जी गाल की बंदा करी सेंसिटिव दौर है. निकी जी गाल होगी. बस ताल्लुकात खत्म करी होने. इस तरह नहीं होना चाहिए. मौत से पहले ask one another for forgiveness. Allah तबारक व तआला समझने की और अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए. आमीन. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना व नबिय्यिना व शफीय्यिना व मौलाना मुहम्मदिन अब्दिका व रसूलिका व नबिय्यिका व सल्ली अलल मुमिनीना वल मुमिनात वल मुस्लिमीना वल मुस्लिमात. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار وقنا عذاب القبر وقنا عذاب الحشر وقنا عذاب الميزان وادخلنا الجنة مع الأبرار يا عزيز يا غفار يا رب العالمين. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا أتمم لنا نورنا واغفر لنا إنك على كل شيء قدير. اللهم إنا نسألك العفو والعافية في الدين والدنيا والآخرة. اللهم إنا نسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى. اللهم إنا نسألك الجنة ونعوذ بك من النار. اللهم أجرنا من النار يا مجير يا مجير يا مجير. اللهم اغفر لنا قبل الموت وارحمنا عند الموت ولا تعذبنا بعد الموت ولا تحاسبنا يوم القيامة إنك لا تخلف الميعاد. يا مقلب القلوب ثبت قلوبنا على دينك. يا مصرف القلوب صرف قلوبنا على طاعتك. يا الله يا رحمن يا رحيم يا هنان يا منان يا ذا الجلال والإكرام يا أكرم الأكرمين يا أرحم الراحمين. We have our hands raised in your bargah. We ask of you, Allah, first and foremost, accept our Salatul Isha by Jama'at in your bargah. And then accept our Salatul Janaza in your bargah. Bil khusus this Salatul Janaza for Marhuma Makhfur Haji Muhammad Mustafa Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Ya Allah, we ask you, we raise his darajat in the Akhirah. Ya Allah, grant him the highest maqam in Jannatul Firdaus. All of the good deeds that he did during his time on this earth, accept them good deeds in your barakah. Any wrong that they may have said or done, but taqazai bashariyat aqwalan af'alan, through the wasila and wasta of the Pantan Fatihah, through the wasila and wasta of the Khulafai Rashidin al-Mahdiyin, and bil khusus through the wasila and wasta of Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ya Allah, we ask you, forgive him for his minor major sins. On the day of Qiyamah ko pehle, Ya Allah, we ask of you, tonight will be his first night in the grave. Make his first night in the grave easy for him. When Munkar and Nakir will come and ask him the questions, Man Rabbuka, Ma Dinuka, Ma Kunta Taqulu fi haqqi hadha ar-rajul li Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allow Haji Muhammad Mustafa to answer these questions correctly. Allow him to have pehchan of the Wadduha chehra of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ya Allah, make his life in the grave easy for him. Remove his difficulties and hardships for him. Ya Allah, we ask of you that on the day of Qiyamah when they are raised, let them be raised under the liwa'ul hamd of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let them drink from the pyare Jami Kawthar of Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let them enter into the gardens of paradise without any accountability. Ya Allah, grant all of the Lawahiqeen, Prosagan, family members, their sons in particular, grandsons, grant them all Sabr Jameel Ajri Azim. Ya Allah, grant them all Sabr Jameel Ajri Azim. Ya Allah, just as this marhum, we've read his Salatul Janaza, one day our Salatul Janaza will be read as well. Ya Allah, maut se pehle sacha pakka toba karne ki tawfiq ata. Ya Allah, forgive us for our minor and major sins. Ya Allah, we turn to you for we have no one else to turn to. We ask of you for we have no one else to ask. Oh Allah, through the wasila and wasta of Nabi Kareem Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, forgive us for our minor and major sins. गुनाहों की आदत शुरा मेरे मौला, हमें नेक इंसान बना मेरे मौला, मौत से पहले सच्चा पक्का तौबा करने की तौफीक अता फरमा. Ya Allah, we ask of you, allow us to also prepare for our first night in the grave as well, and the first day of Qiyamah as well. Ya Allah, we ask of you, the Muslims of Gaza, the Muslims of Rafah, the Muslims of Palestine, and wherever the Ummatis are suffering, Ya Allah, remove their suffering for them. Alleviate their difficulties and hardships for them. Ya Allah, bless this Ummah once again with the likes of Sultan Salahuddin al-Ayyubi, Sultan Nuruddin Zangi, Tariq ibn Ziyad, Shihabuddin Khori. Ya Allah, we ask of you, bless this Ummah once again with the likes of Khalid bin Walid and Umar al-Faruq radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Ya Allah, grant our Buzdil Hukmaran, Ghairat Sharm and Haya, not only to say the right word, but to take action in order to protect the lives of the Palestinians. Ya Allah, accept this dua in your bargah. What we've asked for, grant us. What we couldn't ask for, grant us as well. Sami'na wa ata'na, wa ghufranaka rabbana wa ilayka al-masir. Wa sallallahu ta'ala ala habibihi, Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Irhamna ya Mawlana, birahmatika ya. There will be no showing of the face now. Family members? That's right. There is showing? No showing. No showing of the face. Please, if the Muqtadis can, the congregants can disperse. Rab Nauji, so that the body can be shaken out. The face will not be shown now. Please do not gather and congregate at the front. Please make your way out in a orderly fashion. फिर दोबारा ऐलान करने हैं जी, those who have come from outside or even if you haven't come from outside, you are not to leave without eating. Food will be served in the upstairs hall. कोई बंदा खाने के बगैर ना जाए please इंशाल्लाह. आदिल अदल करने वाला क्या हाल है साहब? ठीक हो? Please, again, do not gather at the front unless you are immediate family members, otherwise you're not going to get to the Qabristan. If everyone can please disperse, leave the masjid in a orderly fashion. Dunya ne guftagu, don't meet and greet in the masjid. Yes, if you're meeting and greeting, greet outside. ये मस्जिद है, अल्लाह का घर है. Please do not waste your good deeds that you've accumulated by being here, by talking about the matters of the dunya. So please kindly leave, do your salams and meeting and greeting outside. Allah tabarak wa ta'ala amal करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए.
Guys, keep going. There's no showing of the face. We have to stop. Guys, just keep going, please. Guys, just keep going, please. Just keep going, please. Move back from here, they're going to take it. We're going to put the face in. Yeah. Bring the face in. Way here. Okay. Come with the bottom. Come with the bottom. Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
All this you take shows.
Push up a bit, that's it. Right.
Yeah, just
Banana,
the main 8 people to hold it. Then the thing is because there's a big height of a door, out of the door, the level and there is about the phone and the camera. You have to bring it out and put it on halfway. You have five Monday and had a shoot fire. Ready?